guys, I didn't film an intro, so welcome to my room. Hope you enjoyed the video and like and subscribe. Okay, bye. So starting right when you enter my room, there is a shelf, and on the bottom shelf I just have a couple random things. It's kind of my random shelf. I have a lot of those, but anyway, I have some notebooks that I use to plan out videos for YouTube. By the way, if you have any ideas, please comment them down below. I also have this portable charger by PowerAd, and guys, they kindly sent this portable charger to me to show to you guys, and it is my favorite portable charger. It is amazing. I got these two free portable chargers at some event, and they barely last 30 minutes, and now that I have this thing, I take it everywhere. You just charge it overnight, charge it for 3 hours, 2 hours, I don't really know. You don't have to charge it for that long, and then it lasts literally a whole day. It can charge your phone in one charge 2 or 3 times, and it's just amazing. Definitely recommend. I will be leaving the link to it down below, so go check it out. On my next shelf, I have a bunch of little trinkets. I have my tech stand, I have my Kindle and my old portable charger, and then over here a bunch of my trinkets. I have an Eiffel Tower, a Pocky box, some little camels, a fake candle, a rock that I drew my name on, and then over here, hey, there's me. Also, my scrunchie collection. This box is filled with all of my scrunchies, and I have an obsession. We get that. I have one of every color. I just love my scrunchies, and I can't stop wanting them. It's kind of a problem. Over here, I just have a little tray with cough drops in them. And then, like I mentioned before, my tech stand where I just plug in anything. And then down here, I have some stuff from Know Your Worth Co., which I will show you guys in a minute. So Know Your Worth Co. is a business that I really love, and it's very close to my heart because it's run by 2 of my internet best friends. I love them so much, and they kindly sent me this package with some of their stickers, and they say things like worthy and you are worth it and you're a star, and I just love them so much because it's a great reminder. Everybody needs to be reminded that they are worth it and that they have a purpose, and this company is there to do that. Everything is handmade, and I will be linking their Instagram and shop down below, so you should definitely check them out and get yourself a reminder that you are worth it. So moving on to my next shelf, I have a couple things on this shelf. I have my iPad, which I will show you guys in a second. I also have this bobbly head pin. It's just really funny, and I just like to keep it there. I also have this little frame that my mom got me that says Je t'aime, I think. Don't kill me for pronouncing French words wrong, but anyway. I also have my little camera clicker that I just showed you guys. Here is a little basket full of glasses cleaners, because your girl wears glasses. Then I have a bunch of books that I'm reading, and then a Starbucks gift card from my friend Emery, and some desk supplies. My next shelf is my favorite out of all of them, and it just has some super cute things, and I really love the way I arranged them. So over here is my Capello clock. I literally got this at Goodwill for $5. It is amazing. I did a thumbs down because it's just the wrong time and I need to change it. So I have a little cute cactus. I love it so much. It's fake. I don't even have to water it. It just looks cute, and it fits so well next to my Capello. So over here is just a little clock that I have turned around because it actually lights up and changes colors, so I love to turn it on at night. So when I'm sleeping, I can just see colors reflecting onto the ceiling. Super cool. Then over here, I have a little frame with a Know Your Worth Co sticker, and then also a picture of me and my friend Emery. Moving on to my next shelf, I just have a teddy bear, and then I actually have this picture of Stitch that I painted hanging above it. So moving on to what you all have been looking forward to, my desk. Pretty messy, but I'm going to show it to you anyway. So here is just a bin full of stuffed animals I have. You guys may think, oh, that's tiny. Trust me, there's a lot in there, and then also that drawer right next to it, I have stuffed animals in, and then the one above that, art supplies. I have so many art supplies. This one is kind of unaccessible because I have a bin right in front of it, but over here, I just have a couple drawings that I have done or that other people have given me. Then, you guessed it, more art supplies. I have so many art supplies all over my room. I just have bins and cups full of markers, pens, pencils, and I'm not even that great of an artist, but you know, I like to do art, I like to make things pretty, so here they are on my desk. So in this little France container, I have just some random things, some erasers, some notebooks, and some phone cases. And then over here is my desk, my portable chargers, my favorite from PowerAd, the brand that I told you guys about. A bracelet that my friend Camden sent to me. And then over here, I just have a couple cute pin holders. I have so many pins. I really love these ones, honestly. I also have a sign that says inspire, which is super important to my channel. If you know that my phrase is aspire to inspire, because I want to inspire you guys, and I hope you guys want to inspire other people too. I also have these cactus holders. They are so cute. I just love them. I got them for Easter. So right next to that bin, I just have a container. I said bin. It's a cup. Anyway, mason jar. I have a mason jar full of bracelets. A lot of them are from Sashka Co. And then over here, more bracelets. I have my Earth Bands bracelets hanging on this tripod that I use to take when I travel. And then I have a water bottle, some desk supplies, my planner from Plum Paper, and then under here are my drawers and a bunch of stuff that I just kind of hide under my desk. So I'm going to show you guys sort of what's in them. So in this top bucket, I have a stuffed animal, and I keep some chargers in that little basket thing. And then back here, you can see I just have some random stuff that I'm hiding because it's so messy. I have my ukuleles. I love my ukuleles. Actually, one of them is a banjolele, which is just like a crossover of a banjo and a ukulele, and I just love both of them. And then I also have some art supplies in the bottom too. Okay, so here's my first drawer. I tried to organize it for you guys so you guys wouldn't be disgusted at my literal messy everything. But I just have some desk supplies, erasers, pencils, notebooks, everything. In my second drawer, it's a little bit more messy, but I just have more desk supplies and then a bin full of toys that I don't really pull out that often, but I just want to keep. So over here, I have some more art supplies. And then above my desk, if you were wondering, I have this sign that says free hugs with a cactus, a picture of my friends and I right next to that. And then over here, I just have some song lyrics and other things that I pull out of bulletins from church and programs and other things. So moving on, here is my ladder, and we're going to go up to my loft. So I just have a little container that I keep some stuff that I could have at night. And then let's go up. So I have so many blankets. Please do not judge me. I get so cold at night and I just love to cover myself in blankets and pillows. So that's why there is literally so many. Here is a view of my room from my loft, but I'm going to show you guys in depth once I get down. And then here's a little memo board that I put together. And then my dream catcher, and let's head down. So here is where I film videos a lot of the time. I just have some bags hanging, but I remove them when I film. I also have some medals that I won from school. My dream catcher again, and then also this other memo board. I love my cactus tapestry, and then I also have my tripod that I use to film all of my videos when I'm at home. So over here I have a dresser. I just have a bunch of clothes. I'm not going to show you guys because it's super messy and stuff that I don't necessarily want to show to you guys, but just know that there's a bunch of clothes in there. So over here I have some jewelry and I have my Bible, and then behind that curtain is just a window. Over here on this messy shelf I just have, you guessed it, even more art supplies, some Sharpies, some glue. I have another Bible, some notebooks. On this shelf I have my ukulele book, a little stitch trinket, and then I have a couple drawers full of jewelry. Half of it I never wear, but I just keep it in case I would ever need it someday. So up here I have just a bunch of random stuff. You guys have no idea how much random stuff I throw together, but I have a Bible, some tape, a charger, some lip gloss. Up here I have a little memory verse thing, and then I have a sign that says Paris, a squishy, some other random things. Up here I have a lava lamp and my initial, which is M. And then over here I have a little whiteboard calendar, and then I have my Polaroid wall with my letterboard, and I actually have some Polaroids falling, so I'm gonna fix that. I have a little sign that says I am loved. That's what it says on it. And then my chair with so many pillows. And then here is my window and my piano. I can't even talk today. So here is some photage pictures that I just put underneath there. And then over here is just a blank wall. Used to have my tapestry on it, but I just decided to take it down for a change. And then over here I have my mirror. There's me. Peace. And then over here is my little vanity. This actually came in my room, and I just keep all my makeup, a couple signs, a dance trophy, my radio / CD player, all the Billie Eilish stands. I have a Billie Eilish CD in there because I stan Billie Eilish. And then up here is my TV and a couple other random things and some CDs. In these drawers, I just have some more makeup and storage. So here is my closet. If you guys want a closet tour, it's pretty small, so I don't think you would want that, but I just cleaned it. So here is a bunch of leggings and t-shirts and dresses. Here's some necessary stomping. I can't say anything today. Oh my goodness. And then here is my shelf that I sometimes film in front of. Let me know which background you guys like more. I also have this closet, which just has some things that I just need to store, my hamper, some American Girl stuff that I don't really get out that often.